In this video, we'll cover event types and how to modify them within your Envase TMS. To begin, event types are the combination of events that make up a leg within your order. Think of a leg as the move that gets assigned to each driver. When you first create an order and select the type and whether it will be a live or drop, the system will create the event types as one full round trip. When you finish creating an order, the events section is where you'll find the different event types. The hook is the origin or location where you pick up from. The deliver destination is where you're unloading. And the drop is duplicated from the original location to set up the leg as a round trip. You always have the option to modify the events by selecting the event and clicking on More, then Edit. After you've made your changes, click on Save. You also have the option to either add or delete events within the legs. To add a move, select where you want to place the move within the leg and click on Add. Then, select whether the move will come before or after. From here, you have the option to insert an event, a yard move, or a crossdock. For this example, we're going to select a yard move and enter in the yard location name. Then click on Confirm. Because you're adding a yard move, the system will know that it has to split the event into two separate legs, where one driver will pick it up and take it to the yard. Then another driver, which is the second leg, will take it from the yard to the customer and back to the port. If you need to delete an event within a leg, click on More and select Delete. Then click on Confirm. And if you need to delete an entire leg, click on More in the top right corner of the leg. From here, select Delete, then Confirm. When deleting a leg, make sure the remaining legs are in the correct order in terms of what steps the drivers would need to take. This helps to avoid non-valid legs. You also have the option of adding payables per leg for different drivers. To do this, first you need to add a driver to each leg by clicking on the Search Driver field and selecting the driver. Once you've selected the driver, click on the Payables tab. From here, you'll see a payable item has been created by default for the driver selected. You can choose to either edit or delete the payable item. Additionally, you can also add payables directly from the leg. To do this, click on the More option on the right-hand corner of the leg, then select Add Payables. Remember, the payables will start generating automatically once you start dispatching, so you won't need to manually add them. One thing to note about the events and legs, the combinations need to make sense. Each leg needs to end with either a drop, chassis return, or drop yard. And make sure there's no event after your last drop. It's important to have the right combination of events because those events are what the drivers will be seeing and doing in the Envase mobile app. This completes the event types and how to modify them in the Envase TMS. For more information, check out our other training videos or visit our website.